There are two ways to change the font color on your website. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side, there's theme options, styling. Once you click on styling, this is going to change the entire theme though, not just the font, but the entire theme, the way the headers are colored. So this might not be the ideal way, but just so you know, you do have that access here. But if you're just trying to change specific text in an area, I can show you. It takes a little bit of code, and I'm going to email you this in the email. But the code actually is, this will be the code I'll email you. But depending on what the font is that you're trying to have, depending on what you want colored, this will be the code, and then this number here will reflect. I'm going to put this in the email as well. This email will have this website, and depending on what color you want, this code right here goes inside of this code area. So for instance, if we want this purple, I'm going to take this number and make sure that in the editor of your website, you're in the text environment, not visual, but text. And you'll put the color code here. And then the text that you're trying to change goes right in this area where the text is. So sample text. And then when you look at it in a visual form, you'll see that that text now reflects that. Now at this point, you can make it bold, underlined, indented, etc. But once again, you'll use this code, this code in the text environment of the website. And that same thing works even if you're adding, just like we did earlier today in the tutorial, if you're adding a text environment, make sure that you're using text on this end versus visual, and then implement that code in its entirety, not just that. It's actually going to be this, and edit that, go to text, and there you go. And that's how you edit a specific area of font and color.